5 budgeting hacks millennials need to know in 2024. If you're ready to live on a budget and achieve your financial objectives, check out these 5 budget and money tips. They will help you regain control of your finances so you can achieve your financial objectives and enjoy the life you've always desired. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 budgeting hacks millennials need to know in 2024. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 5. Order your groceries online. If you struggle with impulse shopping at the grocery store, consider ordering your goods online. The benefit of ordering your groceries online is that you will know how much you're spending before you check out. That way, if you go over your grocery budget, you can easily remove an item from your cart. Number 4. Always bring a list when you go to the store. One of the simplest ways to go over budget at the grocery store is to go up and down every aisle without a plan. I am guilty of heading into a grocery store not knowing what I needed and leaving wondering what occurred. Number 3. Make a meal plan so you aren't tempted to go out to eat. Food is by far one of the most costly expenses. Every month, people overpay on food by hundreds of dollars. If you want to stay within your budget each month, make a meal plan before the week begins. Make sure to prepare easy meals that you will truly enjoy, so you don't want to stop by the grocery store on your way home from work. Number 2. Keep your savings account separate so you aren't tempted to touch it. If you struggle with impulse spending, you've probably used your savings to buy something you desire. To prevent this from happening again, keep your money entirely separate. Find an online savings account or keep your savings and checking accounts separate. Make it slightly more difficult to withdraw money from savings. Your future self will appreciate you. Number 1. Use cash envelopes to help you control spending. If you find yourself buying too many coffees or overpaying each month, consider using cash envelopes to help you regain control of your finances. Cash envelopes are the ideal approach to learning how to live on a budget and achieve your financial objectives. Cash envelopes will not only help you stick to your monthly budget, but you will be astonished at how much less you spend. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.